Hey folks, Adam here from 911, and today we're looking at Black+Decker tools. And just as sure as the sun is yellow, and I did just hang up the sun with my Black+Decker drill bit, I'm a Black+Decker guy. I love their tools and I love using them. So let me tell you a little bit about this. This is a Black+Decker cordless drill. That's right. You can toss out the cords. Don't consider yourself tied down by them, because Black+Decker has your back, and the batteries are better than ever. Now, my first Black+Decker had the bigger brick, the larger battery, and a lot of people complained that the nickel cadmium batteries back in the day, they didn't last as long. Well, that's a real advancement in the lithium ion batteries that they have nowadays. These 20 volt, 1.5 AH, they last a long period of time. They don't have that degradation as quickly as the old school batteries. So if you haven't used battery powered power tools in a while, the advancements are amazing. Now, myself personally, got myself one of the multi-packs of all the different types of drills. This is also from Black+Decker, but the drill itself is absolutely fantastic. You can adjust the torque on it. You can, it's quick to install and has reverse, forward, and back, and yet can actually kick off the top end. There's so many different things you can do with it, but really the key is how lightweight this thing is. The batteries are not nearly as heavy as they used to be. They're way more powerful, and they charge quickly. That's because of the advancements in lithium ion batteries, and this is lithium ion, which is the type that you're gonna want on any power tool. Also, something to be said is that the batteries are interchangeable among your Black+Decker tools. So pretty much my weed eater, my blower, my jigsaw, I've even got like a table saw type of thing, my drill, all use the same battery. So I can just keep them charged up, swap them out as I need them, and these things are built to last. The power is fantastic. I'll use it for working on the dock over here on the side. We'll turn this to the side. I got a dock out here. And out on the lake, these things work fantastic, but they also work pretty much anywhere. And when you're working with a drill, you know, if I go out to the lake, maybe I don't want to have to haul out a 50-foot extension cord just to drill down a board. Grab this bad boy, and it's fantastic. Now, as I've said before, this is lightweight, and a lot of people will complain that cordless drills of the past were heavy. Well, holding this at arm's length for any period of time is no big deal, because they really make them sturdy and lightweight nowadays. So if you're working over your head, you're working over to the side, you're drilling, you're pushing, they're absolutely fantastic. They're also sturdy. If you're gonna be drilling in, put your hand right here and push that bit right into the wood or whatever you're using. This is also strong enough to where I was able to drill. I mean, this is basically cinder block back here, and I didn't have any problems with it using kind of a cement cinder block type of bit. So go ahead and order today, order with confidence. Black+Decker makes great products, and you get it with Amazon Prime. It means A to Z guarantee. Anything goes wrong with it, A to Z. Money back return, and free shipping, free delivery, and if something's wrong with it, they'll even pay your shipping to send it back to Amazon to replace it. Also, I might note that this does have a little battery light, so if you're working at night, it's illuminating the area that you're drilling, which can be very helpful, particularly, I guess, if you're working like under something, under a deck, under a dock, wherever you may be. It's not always well lit in the area you're working. You're working up in the attic. It's nice to have just a little bit of illumination on the spot that you're working on. So again, here's the product up close. You can reverse it just by clicking right here. Sturdy, dropped this thing before, no big issues. And the battery goes in and out easily, and it does come with a battery and the charging cord. You're gonna pick this up, folks. Absolutely fantastic. Hope you liked the video. Hope you like the details. And again, trust Black+Decker. They've been around for decades and decades, and they make a fantastic product. Order today. You absolutely will not be disappointed. Thanks again for watching. I try to bring interesting videos to you, so check out all of our videos. And yeah, this is a good one. You're gonna wanna order this. Thanks for watching, and say it with me, folks. Adios, amigos. Bye-bye.